Let us say that Hotstar provides live telecast of cricket matches, and various customer joins their live stream. So we have been given this table in which we have this joining date and customer ID. So in this date, the customer ID with 3 joins, and similarly 3 against join on 1/1/2020, and again on 10th October 2022, then 15th December 2022. Similar is the case for customer ID with customer ID 7, 41, 12, 41, and so on. So what we have to do is we have to find the output table in which we have to find what are the new customers that have joined in a particular year of Disney platform, right? So by the looks of it, it looks a very simple query, but I can assure you that this is one of the very difficult problems. So let us go ahead and see what how gonna approach this problem. Let us first copy all this data. I have this data on my notepad. This data will be available to you in the description below. You can copy it from there, and from there you can follow along, or you can give it a shot by yourself and see if you can solve this problem. So I have pasted on this code, and let us go ahead and see what I've done here. So I dropped the table new customer, so that if there's any pre-existing table with the name new customer, it will get dropped, right? Because if you don't run this script and carry along with this create table new customer, it won't be there will be an error. So we run this command drop table new customer, and then there will be a create table new customer in which we have joining date, which is of type date. Second column is of customer ID, that is of integer type, and in these two column we'll insert values like this. So uh, let us go ahead and run this command. Right, so the table is created. Let me select uh, everything from new customer table and see. Okay, so this works perfectly fine. We have first column as joining date, and you have all the dates. Second column is of customer ID, in which you have customer various customer IDs, right? So next thing is, let us go ahead and first look at the output which we have desired, right? So this is the output we have to get. So the first thing we'll do here is we'll group by customer ID, and we'll take the minimum joining date, that is the least, the first time a customer ID has joined the platform. Let us go ahead and do that. So we have select year, rather minimum of year, right? And that will be joining date as year, right? So we are taking the year from joining date, only the year, that is we'll take only 2020, and we'll put in a column named as year, right? Second, we are taking as customer ID, and this is from new cust table, group by customer ID, right? So let us go ahead and run this. This will give us the minimum value of year of on which the customer ID has entered the platform. This thing is done. Now the next thing is we have to find uh, the first time a customer has joined a platform in a particular year. So what we are going to do is we'll put this in common table expression. Let us put this in common table expression with ct as, and like this, and we'll then put wi- and then we'll select year and count uh, customer id as number of new customer from CTE, and this we have to do group by year, right? So we have done group by year, and so we'll this is the group by, and then for example if you are taking 2019 and then we count the customer id, then there will be two ids, right? 3 and 7. So the number of new customers will be 2. Okay, so let us go ahead and run this, right? So if we run this, we get the desired output. If you like this video, please go ahead and press the like button, subscribe to this channel, because we are coming up with more exciting such questions, which will be very helpful for you in your interview preparations. Thank you very much.